Resto Mod 101.
Hey, welcome back to Resto Mod 101. Today we're here with Josh Withers. He's one of the top vintage BMW mechanics in the country. And where can we find your stuff?
Look for me at beamersandbits.com, or you can check out Petrolicious and look up the Airhead Revival for one of the first motorcycle videos they ever featured.
It's super cool. Check that out. Today he's going to show us how to properly align a set of clip-on handlebars on a motorcycle using a new tool. Where did we get this tool from?
Motion Pro.
Check it out. Let's unpack it.
All right, let's take a look. Looks like something we can smoke.
A red stick.
A red rod.
And a blue boxy rod.
It's just like Christmas.
Yeah, to the instructions.
All right. Angular handlebars and assembly. Okay, got it. We have some beautiful anodized aluminum here, and it comes pre-assembled for the most part. The only thing we have to do is take apart this red rod here, just by untwisting it, and fit it through this piece right over here, and put it back together. And that's it. Let's go take it to the bike. Okay, so we sat on the bike and got the handlebars to a pretty comfortable position. We think they're pretty symmetrical, but this tool will help us tell for sure. Now, the one thing we didn't do is cinch these bolts down on the clip-ons too tight. We don't want it to bite in and have a memory to that location, so they're just loosely snug for the time being. We want to be sure that this notch right here locates to something symmetrical on the bike. In this case, we're going to eyeball it so it's dead center to the fork cap right here. From here, we're gonna take the bar and have it so it just touches the handlebar like so, and tighten down this little nut right here. So with here, that's about our rough location for this tool. So I'm gonna take the tool and flip it around to the other side. We wanna align the same notch with the center of the fork tube, and you can see how far off we actually were. We got about a little over an inch extended on this left handlebar. Okay, so now we have to adjust this handlebar to meet the red bar of the tool. So we're gonna put this somewhere safe, making sure we do not change this angle or affect anything. Loosen this up just enough so we can get this thing to move. Line our fork centers, make sure we're in the exact same spot. I'm gonna pull this handlebar in just to the point where it touches. And just for posterity's sake, I'm going to double check. We're in alignment there, it's touching the grip. Come back over here. We're in alignment here. And it's touching the grip, and we're pretty good to go ahead and tighten this down. Okay, so these particular clip-ons have additional adjustments to go higher and lower, in addition to in and out. So I'm going to use this tool again. I'm going to stay with that same center mark. I'm going to put it in the same position, and I'm going to move the tool into its location, and I'm going to mark the tool at the top of the handlebar grips, and I could go a little crazy and mark the bottom as well. So I'm flipping over the tool, but making sure that the center nut is on the top again as it was on the right side, and I'm going to match that pencil mark height from the right side and make sure it matches on the left side. Okay, so you just want to snug these up. The best thing to do is, of course, double and triple check before you commit to it too much. But you're going to want to get on the bike, make sure it still feels okay. And you want to get this just tight enough to take it around the block once or twice and make sure everything feels comfortable. If it doesn't, then you can adjust, use the tool to align as necessary. Before you go for the ride, you definitely want to double check the adjustment and turn the handlebars either side, making sure your controls and the clip-ons aren't hitting the gas tank and doing some expensive damage. Check, make sure everything's comfortable. If not, come back, go through the whole process again and adjust as necessary. Once you feel like you've got it, everything is to your liking in the right riding position, then go ahead and cinch it down nice and tight.
Really nice work, Josh. I thought we had the clip-ons like pretty close. I was surprised we're over an inch off.
Yeah, me too. They felt good when I sat on the bike, but definitely not accurate enough.
Yeah.
This tool really helps, I gotta say. It sure beats doing this with a coat hanger, which I've done in the past, I'm not gonna lie. This tool made it very easy to align and very precise. So good job, Motion Pro.
Nice
Thanks.
work. Yep.
So this means I get to take the first test ride on this bike, right? Yeah, I think that's a yes.
Resto Mod 101.
Hey, if you learned something or enjoyed the episode, hit the like button. It's right below. No, over there. Okay, here's a big red arrow. There you go. And don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll know when our next episodes are going online.